We flew all the way to Disney's California Adventure just for Oogie Boogie Bash 2024. It's a separate ticketed event packed with villains, treat trails, costumes, and that late night Disney magic. But what actually happened might change the way you plan your night, especially if you're bringing your kids. Here's our honest, slightly chaotic, totally real review of Oogie Boogie Bash. We planned a chill morning by the pool, conserving all of our energy so that we could stay and close out the park. In 2025, it'll be open until 11 p.m. I was ready. I had a plan, and sometimes can I be too optimistic about what we can do in a day? Yes, but the plan was to ride rides, meet villains, collect candy, stay till the very end. But here's what actually happened. The candy lines, or what they call treat trails, were really cool. Amazing villain performances. Our favorite was Dr. Doofenshmirtz from Phineas and Ferb. He had us laughing out loud. Even Oogie Boogie was really fun with really cool animations and things and lights all over the walls.
What have we here? You look like you deserve to be on mine.
And a lot of them had us laughing. But every treat trail gave us the same candy, so just know that. You're not going to get different stuff in different treat trails. It's all the same. And you also get cranberry craisins and graham cracker goldfish, which I wasn't expecting. Halloween or health food. I mean, maybe some people out there are happy to get craisins for Halloween, but it was mountains and mountains of these treats on repeat. And while we could ride rides, costumes made it tricky. Wigs, props, capes, all cute until you need a locker. Oh, and it got a little cold, so we needed jackets, which meant a second locker. And well, I'm so glad we dressed up. My husband was Doctor Strange and even ordered this custom spinning LED portal thing, which security didn't love so much. They personally thought it was cool, but they still didn't let him bring it in. So back to the hotel we went. Just know they will let you in as early as 3 p.m., but the bash doesn't officially start till 6 p.m. My kids at home can easily stay up till 1 a.m. and I am usually begging them to go to bed, so I thought this late night was going to be no big deal. Well, one of my kids ended up literally dragging their leg behind them like a wounded war hero. My husband's back gave out. He found a bench and saved a spot for us an hour before the parade was going to start. But you know what? Since we were so dedicated to that spot at the parade, let's give this parade some decent time on this video. I have to admit, it was a really good parade and the Headless Horseman was awesome. And we did have great seats. But I thought we were going to be riding rides and meeting all the villains. We didn't even have time to do all of the treat trails. But my kids just wanted to sit with him. So I set my expectations and we sat there for 45 minutes until the parade started. And as soon as the parade was over, we left. Now, by choice, we spent hundreds on flights, tickets, hotel, rental car, all for just a couple hours at the bash. But I did get a glowing Oogie Boogie pin, so I was pretty excited to add that to our family travel collection. And my husband did dress up, which I loved. So would I go again? If you asked me right after we went, I would have been absolutely no. Only because my kids tapped out so early. But would I go again? Probably, because it's really hard for me to stay away from these awesome events. I just love Disney. Especially holiday Disney events. And if you've gone to Oogie Boogie Bash before, I want to hear how your group did. Did you bring your kids? Did you do adult only? How did it go? See you next time. Make those memories.